Right, I have been given on loan a Boxzy. A Boxzy is a new product on the market, I believe. I've seen some of the Kickstarter videos and some other gubbins, and basically it's a 3-in-1 printer, laser engraver and CNC machine. And I've been given it to to get it set up, working, you know, get a feel for it, and also give a bit of feedback. So here's a start. First impressions, looks solid. It is a heavy machine, don't get me wrong. It does look quite sturdily built. These are quite solid. It's good to see ball screws being used, so you don't get any backlash, which is good. There's a quick fixing mount, which that's what they said on the on videos I've seen so far. Some cables. Yep. So first impression is as it is. It's a solid machine. May I just say I do apologise. I'm using my iPhone to video this. Hopefully the quality comes through, but it might be a bit shaky because I'm moving around all over the place. Right, other bits and pieces that seems to be included. 2 glasses. You might have a friend who wants to have a gander at laser. Fair one. I can't argue with that. Right, where to start? Okay, well, we'll start with this. This is they mentioned the Makita rotary, which is you know, for the CNC part of it. I've obviously not used it yet. Again, quite solid. There we go. Note: American style plug. So you're kind of guessing where this is going to end up when it comes to power supply. Alright. A series of clamps. Brilliant. I'm happy with that. Different sizes. Well, there's two of those. Just 2 small ones. An empty bag. Oh, 2 large grips. So those are fixed to a surface and then clamped down, and these are just free running, so you can pull them anywhere you want, and it's just like a grip type of clamp. I'm just going to put them over there. Another one. So we've got 2 large and 2 small, same sort of concept as with those, 2 large, 2 small. I have no idea what this is. This might be something to do with clamping the CNC machine tool into place. I have no idea. Looks like it though. Nope. Nope, can't see anything. So I'm hoping there's some instructions. No, that's all like certification. Right, some spanners. One I suppose is for, well no, they are for getting that undone. It's a collet style, so they should grip nicely on the milling tools. Okay, so I'm going to jump to a bit of laser. Cool. There we go, a laser tool. Yeah, that goes. Happy days. Looks good. Looks more like a futuristic. Oh, here's my uranium. Boom. Back to the Future style. I don't know. Good shit. Tell you what though, made me laugh a bit. It's a bit sad, I suppose. It makes me laugh, but the laser was identified with an L. Winner, so I know that's a laser. Some people might need it. Right, let me just move this box out of the way. Chuck it over here. Yes, I do 3D printing more than I do any CNC. Right, okay, so we've got a small box of tools. Warning labels. Right, warning, keep sound away from when this machine is in use. Okay, those have kids. Collets. Come on, there we go. A collet that goes inside there, and then when you screw it tight it should clamp on the milling bit. There's two. Are they the same? RB102, RB103. Reduction bushing, 1/4 to 3/18, 1/4 to 1/8. Oh, okay, right, cool. So they're not the same. So basically that takes the 1/4, which is that, down to a 3/16, so a milling bit of 3/16, and then a 1/4 to 1/8, so 1/8 of a milling bit. Right, so these are the 3/16, I presume. Very small. I'll mostly smash most of them. What else have we got? Carbide end mill. Yep, that means a lot to me. Anything you say? Yep, means even more to me. Yep. Yep. What else? Oh, we've got some more in here. Sorry, just. Yeah. Yep. Some Allen keys and a screwdriver. Right, so I presume these are all, are they in inches or mils? I have no idea. Right, basically milling bits. So I think that basically is there's one of an end mill and then one that's a bull nose. Although it says end mill, that's a bull nose. That's an end mill. Oh, I don't, no, never mind. Maybe I just don't understand it enough. Right, put all that back. So that's part and parcel what you get. So we've got the glasses. Yeah, we're not doing any lasering. Power supply. Right. Oh, can't be bothered to take it out. Oh, we've got a USB cable. Right, also important. I've got tons of them. Right, so we have the power supply. Winner. Guess what, guys? Yes, you've got it. Input is 110 to 120 volts. So yeah, very much American. No converter. I heard that it was a case of they couldn't get it all squared away for it. This is the connector from this machine to the actual box. Winner, and a key to lock it off and stop button. So winner. Oh, okay. And last but not least, the bit that I'm really not that interested in, but I might give it a test, is the extruder head for the 3D printer. It might be worth a go, but yeah, I've got my own 3D printer set up anyhow, so which is printing at the present moment, Ultimaker 2 Plus. Some people might be more interested in that, I don't know. So that's my freaking laser beam. So all in all, there's quite a lot of stuff that you get with this. So far I'm impressed. Oh, I forgot one thing. I haven't opened it, but I know what it is. That is a magnetic bed. I know that because I mentioned it in a video, and I don't need to open it because I can feel that, and I've got a brain on me. So that printer bed, or what the guy actually used it for, he was going to tape a circuit board to it and then cut that out. Okay, right, so what more can I say? Not a lot. What you see is what you get. and soon I'll get to grips with it. We've got a power converter on the way, so we're just waiting for that so that we can actually fire it up. From what I understand, it works with Autodesk Fusion. Well, actually, no, that's just a CAM. That's a computer aided manufacturing program. It should be able to work with anything that generates a G code for a CNC machine. The input software I have not actually seen, so I need to find out where and what that is about. Most probably it's a downloadable bit of software. If not, it might be any old software, which I hope it's not. Alright guys, well thank you very much for watching for so far. You will see another part to this where we get to see a bit more progress, but there might be not be for another couple of days, if not weeks, because I've got stuff on the go. So alright guys, well thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.